YouTube. Today I'm going to show you all the family chords involved in playing the D major chord. When you play a song in D major, or most of the chords that will be involved in the D major will be D major and G major, A major, and sometimes C major, A minor, B minor, F sharp minor, E minor, and sometimes B. And F sharp major, F sharp major, and A major. So that's it. Those are all the chords that will be involved when you play the D major chord, and the chords will fall under the D major like a family chord. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated for future lessons. Thanks for watching.